Hey everybody, as promised, I am going to do a review for the Palm Sugar Curry Spice Rub from Hyro Chef Shop. And let's go ahead and check out these ingredients here. So that coconut palm sugar, sea salt, and some other spices like garlic, turmeric, ground chili, ground mustard. And it says here made with real coconut sugar. So I appreciate anything that has just a few ingredients on there. As you can see, I have been using this quite a bit, not just for review purposes. I do want to mention that I was sent this spice and another spice to review for this channel, but my review is going to be completely honest, of course. But I have been using it quite a bit so that I could review it, and I'm going to open this so that we can get some of it out so we can look at it. So just like every spice, it comes with two different sides on it. You have the shaker side, and then you have the spoon side. So like you can stick your spoon in there and scoop your spices out. We're just going to pour this on a paper towel because I'm going to put it back in there once I'm finished. So I wish there was smell-o-vision and that you guys could smell this. It has a great aroma. Already smells great. Now, it's not fine. As you can see, there are chunks of the palm sugar in there. That's what these are. They're the granulates from the palm sugar. Everything else is other spices that seem to be kind of ground up. So this is great for a rub, or putting it on fish, chicken, pork. This would probably taste good in like a butter compote or something like that. So I'm just gonna sit and appreciate how this spice look. It has like a sweet smell, but it has a little bit of you can really smell that turmeric and that palm sugar. It's not spicy at all. It's a mild flavor. It's sweet and it's subtle, so it won't like overpower your food or anything like that. It's not too much salt in there. It's not very salty. It has like a sweet, salty yet mild flavor. But when I say salty, you know the salt is there, but it's not very spicy. So if you want to see again how what I did with this, I will link my video down below of when I made fried chicken, but I've put this on fish. I've sprinkled a little bit of this in my pasta, put a little bit on your biscuits. It's actually really good. I'm going to leave the link below on how to get it. The last time I talked to the owner, his shop was down, his website was down for repairs. So I will leave a link because there's another website you can go to get it. And I will also put his direct shop website there if it's available. And I will also put the Instagram to the shop below so you guys can follow them and the shop's journey. This is somebody that I know, and I just want to say that I'm super proud of what you're doing, and I wish you all the best and continued success. So you guys follow them and show your support to the shop, and all my links will be down below, and I will see you guys next time.